Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about on how you can actually reset a Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5. And this is something I found manual. I hope it's going to help you. So if the Robot Vacuum malfunctions and it can't be used normally, press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds with the tool until there is a voice message of starting to restore factory settings. And the Robot Vacuum will be restored to the factory settings. If the factory settings couldn't be restored, press and hold reset button for 10 seconds to force a return of the Robot Vacuum and restore factory settings. And do you see where it is? Right here. So you're gonna take the top off and there is going to be like a button or something, okay? And we can even look here. So how it looks here. Okay, here you see that. So that's how we're gonna reset it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value. And have a great day and goodbye.